Hey there, and welcome to this brief demo of the 10 most important concepts of Process Maps 2.0 in less than 7 minutes. Let's look at them one by one. M-Files Process Maps 2.0 is an add-on to M-Files. It consists of a server-side vault application that can be added to any document vault and a client-side with two user interfaces. First, the Process Map Preview, which shows the map itself. A user can interact with it in various ways. It can be shown when a user selects a process map or when the user enters a specific view. Second, we have the Designer for creating new maps and editing existing ones. It gives you several types of drawing tools and symbol libraries so that you can easily create flowcharts and concept graphics. In the Designer, you find all the tools needed for the creation of process maps. The toolbar contains typical drawing tools and allows you to format the outlines, fills, gradients, texts, and much more of objects and symbols. On the left, you have drag and drop access to the tree of views to create graphical menu structures. You also have access to M-Files objects and documents. When you drop them onto the canvas, they are automatically transformed into graphical objects and equipped with commands. On the right side, you can access the symbol libraries and the properties to further configure the objects on the canvas. You can create concept graphics which help to explain abstract and difficult-to-understand topics. You can also create flowcharts using different symbol sets. The library offers access to the symbols of well-known process map methodologies, including flowcharts, BPMN diagrams, event-driven process chains, and portfolios. The symbols can be connected smartly, and they can carry commands to interact with the content of your vault. The Library section also offers access to workflow states of an M-Files workflow, to common shapes, and to the storage. The storage is the central place where you can park and share pre-configured reusable elements. You can put them back onto the canvas via drag and drop. Finally, the Library section gives access to Smart Nodes. Smart Nodes are pre-configured building blocks for interaction with objects, views, images, and charts. Process maps can contain anything, so you can be creative. A good use case are so-called workplace support maps. Think of them as job aids and cheat sheets that are presented along the way. This allows maps to be shown automatically based on different triggers. There are home maps, which can provide custom menus for a branch of the tree of views. Then there are workflow maps, which display the current workflow state and the potential next steps. Users can switch the state with a single click. Maps can also be automatically shown when the user selects a document of a specific class or when an object is in a specific workflow state. The Properties pane on the right shows sections of attributes that can be assigned to symbols or shapes. This includes the creation of tooltips which appear when you hover over a symbol. It also allows the configuration of custom commands that can be executed by clicking the icons. Note that the powerful M-Files placeholder concept is available. This simplifies the access to M-Files metadata, for example in text labels or hover over tooltips. Smart Nodes are predefined building blocks to interpret M-Files content and bring it into a new interactive visual representation. There are Smart Nodes for objects, the contents of views, images, and maps. Icons for objects and value lists are automatically applied. M-Files metadata is used for the multi-level grouping or to show object relations. 14 chart types are available to be applied to interpret the content of a view. Filters reduce or expand the scope of a query. They allow users to further refine an M-Files view with a click of a button. Multiple filters can be applied easily. Just click your criteria and the smart nodes will update almost instantly. This works with all types of metadata, including date fields and timestamps. Filters also interpret hierarchical properties automatically. For example, think of workflow and workflow states. When you select one, it reduces the options of the other. Dashboards are regular maps with smart nodes on them. The only difference is that the smart nodes can be connected to each other. You start with a root query, then you add filters to which you can then connect charts or Vault View smart nodes to display the results. Buttons with commands can be used to inject different queries into the root node of the dashboard. This brings us to the last and most important concept. Process maps are fully integrated with M-files through and through. You see this everywhere in the application. Because process maps are M-files objects, they offer some unique advantages. For example, they can be used as reusable templates. Metadata placeholders are pre-populated automatically. They can travel on workflows, are version-controlled, have metadata, and enjoy the powerful M-files rights management functionality. The systematic use of metadata and its seamless integration into the user interface make process maps a natural extension. Now that you've met these 10 most important concepts, you'll know why we call process maps the universal add-on for visual thinkers and that this unique functionality is not seen in any other information management system on the market. M-Files, the smarter way to work.